This video shout out goes to AJ Naptime for commenting and finding the hidden text in my last video that said, "This seat is so uncomfortable." Hey guys, welcome back to Bricky Tomato, and today, oh yeah, this is my first 2021 YouTube video. Happy New Year's! Okay, anyways, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this super easy, quick, delicious microwave mug pancake that only takes like 2 minutes to make and only 1 minute to bake. And yes, that rhymed. Thank you, thank you. Oh, by the way, I forgot to film an intro, so here's my orange juice journey. Anyways, yes, so this microwave pancake is great for delayed breakfast, a snack, midnight, or whenever you want it. And yes, let's go. First, let's start with some squeaky clean hands. Alright, all the ingredients you'll be needing to make this are flour. You can use any flour you'd like, milk, butter. Here I'm using salted butter, white sugar, baking powder, and this is 100% optional, but I'm using some vanilla extract here. I just think it adds a little bit more flavor, but you totally don't need it. And you may want some maple syrup as well. For supplies, all you need is a microwave-safe mug, measuring spoons, a mixing utensil, and the microwave. Oop, and there's me looking like a fool. First, we're putting about a tablespoon of butter in our mug, melting it in the microwave, and once we have that, go ahead and take out your tablespoon and just fill it up 3/4 of the way, which basically means just don't fill your tablespoon up all the way. Next, add 2 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and if you're using vanilla extract, add 1/8 teaspoon of that. Now go ahead and mix it all up. You don't want to overmix it, so all you want to do is just combine everything nice and well, and here's what your mixture should look like. Okay, so now the last step is to just pop this into the microwave for 1 minute, and please don't put it in any longer than that. It can damage your food slightly, so yeah. And once you take it out, it should have risen just like this, and now you can pop some butter on it as well as some syrup and just diggity in.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Alright guys, that is basically it. If you watched all the way through, please comment down below the hidden message that I hid somewhere in this video. And also, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I was on a very tight schedule this week since my first video idea, FLOPPED, flopped. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm really looking forward to how much fun we'll all have this year. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, because I love talking to you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.